Hey guys, how's it going? So today we have the POPOSAURUS Dino Reveal. This is actually the D right here, what I'm holding. So since this one says A, you can tell that the last letter is A, so that means we're gonna get this common POPOSAURUS now. It looks like a brown and yellow. So yeah, this is the only thing we don't have now. I think this is the E Calliscus. I'm still looking for this. I'm on the hunt for this. It's kind of hard to find it. But anyways, let's get to our main guy here. Let's unbox it and let's dunk him into our water tank right there. So let's check it. Let's open it up. Okay, goes out. So yep, it is a POPOSAURUS. I can feel it. Yeah, there it is. Our newest POPOSAURUS. Alright, so let's dunk him in and give it a few minutes. Okay, where's the cover? Okay, oh, there it is. Let's cover him up and let's weigh it up. Let's check it out. You can see it's starting to dissolve. Look at that color right there. Look at that. Whoa. That's insane. But anyways, I don't need to bring the older POPOSAURUS from Epic Evolution because it's already been featured on this POPOSAURUS video. We'll just bring them out again if we complete the set, if the ultra rare comes out. Right here, if the 3 more ultra rare comes out over here. So far there's only 6. So yeah. Oh, here we are. Yeah, look at that color. Starting to evolve. Let's shake it up. Oops. Let's go change the water. You can see the color coming out now. Look at that, hands coming out. There you go. There you have it. Our common POPOSAURUS. I have to rinse it like twice and shake it. Let's give it a few more minutes. There's still a little dirt on its belly right there. I think that's it. Dirt's all gone, completely gone. And we can dry it up. Okay, so here's our brand new Jurassic World Dino Reveal POPOSAURUS now. We'll check the color. It is actually just a common. So I tried to dry it. Let's see. That's dab more down. It's still wet underneath it. Okay, so let's compare to the rare one right now. It's obviously rare because it's the glossy painting, and this is the common one. Hopefully the ultra rare will be better than this. But anyways, let's look at the eye color is also different. Check the mouth. Okay. At least they colored the tail though. I thought they would ignore this. Okay, not bad. They took off the neck articulation as well. It doesn't move anymore. Same as the DNA scan. Nothing on the feet or the back. Nothing. There's no more feature. I wish they would change the tail as well. Like the sculpt of the tail would go like on its right side or a little straighter. Instead they all going on the same curve. Let's check the bottom. Exactly the same, just the color painting. Alright guys, yep, that's it for today for our new POPOSAURUS. Next video, I'm not quite sure yet. Probably the Jurassic World Survival of Rhamphorhynchus. We'll see. Alright guys, thanks a lot. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and you take care now. Farewell.